Okay guys, so this is going to be a Who Dat pour. I've got my black and my gold, and just like in the last video, it's about a 7 or 8 ratio of medium to pigment or color. So here goes nothing. Okay, I'm having to adjust my block, making sure that it's touching the leather. Okay guys, I don't have to be in a rush here, taking my time, making sure I get good coverage. And you can hear some thunderstorms in the background. I hope it doesn't interrupt my work here. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and remove our obstruction. Okay, throw that away on the side and work the bottom half of the design. See if that does anything for us different. Now these 6-ounce containers that I'm using, these bottles, again, I use very little paint. It looks like there's a lot of waste, but that's not true. I'm using very little paint, maybe 4 ounces, if that. And here comes the rain in Louisiana. Imagine that. All right, guys, what do you think? So, just as I did on the other vertical pour, I am going to let this set up probably a good half an hour. Then I'm going to take it, lean it in a more prone position, and then let it set up for 24 hours. All right, we finished our Who Dat paint pour. What do you think, guys? I think it came out pretty nice. And I think I like the use of the waterfall break. I'm definitely going to do some more work with that technique. Now, after about 30 minutes after the paint pour, I put this in this more prone position yesterday. And then this is sat overnight, and I've taken off the duct tape. I've got a little bit of overpour. I'm going to sand that out, go back with EcoFlow, get that looking good again. That'll work out fine. I will come back with the button stud mounted and show you how that works. And then we'll go on and finish the project. So here you go. We have finished the Who Dat Aspen clutch. Use the button stud as opposed to the closing strap. I took out all that overpour and gum trigant and smoothed out the inside. I used the lace or the stitching that came with the kit, and I finished the edges. I really like the way that came out. Here was the first one we did where we used the closure strap. And again, either way looks fantastic. This is a great kit from Tandy. I'm probably going to do more with this kit in the future. So if you found this interesting, hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stay tuned for further videos on interesting topics in leatherwork. Thanks. See you soon.